Today we're installing rain guards on this Toyota Tacoma in 5 easy steps. Now, step number 5 is the most important, so stay till the end of the video. You do not want to miss it. Step number 1 is picking them up for yourselves. I'll have them linked down below. They come straight from Amazon, so this makes it super easy. And if it's on Amazon, you know it's super affordable. Step number 2 is prep. Let's open up the box and see what we get. Inside of the box, you get 4 separate rain guards. You get 2 for the front and then 2 for the rear. We're gonna go ahead and leave the rain guards alone for a little bit. Let's go ahead and clean up the area where we're actually going to be installing the rain guards. So these rain guards are in-channel rain guards. They're not the ones that stick on the outside of the truck that could damage the paint over time. These actually go inside of the channel where the window sits. And to make sure that the double-sided tape sticks properly, you're gonna wanna make sure that you clean this channel out as best as you can. Now you may be asking, what happens if you don't clean out the area? Yeah, it hit me immediately after that I forgot to clean out the channel. Alrighty, now that the area has been cleaned, has been prepped, now let's go ahead and unwrap the rain guards. Not only are they wrapped in plastic, but they also have a plastic film on top of that. Get rid of all the plastic, and now we're gonna get rid of this red double-sided tape cover. Step number 4 is the install. It is super easy to install. I already did one side just to get some practice in, but the install literally took me no more than 5 minutes. Once you're at the top, there's a bunch of different ways that you can go about this. What we did was we held it for a little bit and then went through with the plastic tool. It was a plastic spoon, and what we were doing was getting the rain guard to apply to the window channel as best as we could. Next up is the rear, and well, you guessed it, it is the exact same. I definitely believe the better you clean out the window channel, the better the double-sided tape would adhere. So take your time with that step and make sure you clean it out well. Now, before we get into step number 5, I want to tell you about the function of these rain guards. The other day it was raining and me and Sandy were out in the Toyota Corolla. I put the window down a little bit, okay? I just cracked the window and I got absolutely obliterated by the water. So after I installed this on my dad's truck, I wanted to see if I could lower the window, pour water on top, and if any water would get in. So we cracked the window and we started pouring water and nothing came in. So this is what they are for. When it's raining out, when it's snowing out, you can crack the window without having to worry about the rain or the elements getting inside your truck. Alrighty, and last but not least, we have step number 5, and that is subscribe.